15 exceptional flowering houseplants to brighten your indoor space. Hello friends. Welcome to Gardener's Gardening. The allure of flowering houseplants within one's indoor garden is a visual symphony that transcends the mere verdancy of foliage. Number 1. Hibiscus. Embrace the tropical splendor with these low-demanding cultivars, bestowing your indoor garden with a kaleidoscope of blooms throughout the season. Their opulent flowers a spectacle in hues, spanning the spectrum. Give fertilizers once per month, and the plant produces flowers when it gets enough bright sunlight. Pruning is also needed. Number 2. Crown of Thorns. Crown of Thorns are low to zero maintenance, easily adaptable plants that can thrive as an indoor plant, have green leaves and small colorful flowers. This succulent plant also has sharp spiny stems and branches that excrete a milky sap when broken. Flowers are very attractive, but they have high toxicity and can be poisonous to humans and pets if ingested. Number 3. Amaryllis. Amaryllis bulbs are popular as indoor plants and can be forced to bloom during the winter months. Simply plant the bulb in a pot with well-draining soil, water it, and place it in a warm, sunny spot. They typically bloom within 6 to 8 weeks of planting. Amaryllis produces large, colorful bell-shaped flowers, esteemed as a festive token. Number 4. African Violet. A collective favorite, these flowers boast a plethora of exotic varieties. Thriving under the guise of domestication, they present their chromatic blossoms multiple times annually, with a palette including purples, pinks and multi-hued wonders. Number 5. Flowering Maple. Flowering maple is a charming plant, botanical kin to the hibiscus, offer bell-shaped blooms, dangle from arched stems, showcasing medley of colors from crimson to pastel shades, and lush foliage. Flowers look like lively lanterns. They appreciate well-lit areas without direct sun exposure, ensure healthy growth and vibrant blooms. Number 6. Peace Lily. Flourishing even in the dimmest corners, these serene beauties feature glossy green leaves and milky white hooded bracts, covering small flowers on long thin stems. In spring it blossoms for 2 months. Spatula-shaped flowers are known for air-purifying qualities. Number 7. Goldfish Plant. Goldfish plant named for its piscine resembling vermilion blossoms, this peculiar flora blooms with vigor from spring to summer. Goldfish plants grow best in humid environments, bright light, well-draining acidic soil, and temperatures between 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit or 18 to 28 degrees centigrade. Number 8. Lipstick Plant. A personal favorite, this plant enchants with cascading and vibrant blooms in shades of red to orange, flourishing from summer to autumn. The best location for lipstick plant is somewhere near a south-facing window so that they get filtered sunlight all day long. They are happiest in warm, humid environment. Number 9. Bromeliads. Renowned for their vivid bracts rather than their blossoms, these plants are a spectacle in every conceivable pigment, thriving even under subdued illumination. These tropical flowering plants belong to the pineapple family, planted for their striking bright colors like red, orange, yellow, pink and purple. Number 10. Holiday Cactus. Celebrated for the seasonal flowering, these cacti, be it Thanksgiving, Easter or Christmas varieties, are enduring house plants that can reflower indoors for generations, some even biennially. They thrive in bright, indirect to medium light, however extended period of lower light in the early fall will help to encourage winter blooms. Number 11. Begonias. Often encountered as spring blooms, numerous begonia species flourish indoors, blooming incessantly in a spectrum of colors. Many boast striking foliage, doubling their ornamental value. They prefer partial shade and moist well-draining soil to achieve vibrant foliage and flowers. Number 12. Orchids. Synonymous with indoor floral elegance, the orchid family presents an infinite array of hybrids capable of infusing your living room with delicate, long-lasting flowers in every imaginable color and combination. They require bright, indirect light in a humid environment to bloom for months. Number 13. Cyclamen. A quintessential winter bloom, cyclamens offer a vast selection during the cold months, intriguingly entering dormancy in summers, contrary to common floricultural cycles. Number 14. Kalanchoe. Kalanchoe, a resilient succulent, boasts vibrant clusters of rosette-like flowers in vibrant red, orange, yellow, and pink that last for weeks. Known for its easy-to-care nature, it thrives in bright, indirect light and prefers its soil to dry out between waterings. Number 15. Anthurium. Anthuriums are heart-shaped indoor flowering plants that bloom in vivid red, pink or white color throughout the year with a lasting period of 6 weeks. They flourish in warm, well-lit areas at home conditions with the added benefit of humidity. However, they are incredibly adaptable, tolerating a wide range of light conditions, making them a versatile and easy to care for addition to your living room. Grow some of these flowering plants in your indoor space, enjoy their blooms all day long. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like it. Share with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Keep your green friends happy and well. God bless you, and thanks for your time.